Welcome to our second episode addressing lead capturing. Let's discuss acquiring our next client. Now that you have uncovered the power of videos with content and posts and started promoting yourself easily with Cheers, you need to start collecting valuable leads to start your sales process. That's where lead capturing forms become extremely important. With all the legwork done, those forms are integral to your landing pages. Those forms, anywhere on your website, need to have an easy ask nature so that visitors find them easy to engage and optimize to generate as many qualified leads as possible. An effective online form will be able to generate quality leads by collecting just the right information to start a conversation. Yet, it shouldn't be too long or too short. At the very least, you need each lead's name and email address. However, if you want to know if this lead is a good fit to your business and profile him or her before doing any contact, then you need some more information. Cheers Video Mail is a lead capturing enabler using custom online forms with no coding required. You can easily design the look and the feel of the form, specify simple ask data to collect, provide a simple key to action, and respond with a simple thank you message. So now your lead generation process is up and running. Starting a conversation is the key. How can you engage your leads immediately and at ease? Let's have this talk in our next episode. Cheers for now!